This fight is not by might. We shine the moon at night. There's one who knows the end before the start begins. This fight is not by might. We shine the moon.
You must understand that you can be in Yola and you are connected. You can be in Jaws and you are connected. You need to understand there is an angel your prophet carry, and when you are connected, distance is not a barrier.
Long before the fight began, can defeat a man. God has given victory. Fighting from victory. I'm fighting from victory. I'm fighting from victory. I'm fighting from victory. I'm fighting from victory. Somebody join us here.
Fighting from victory.
This fight is not by might. We shine the moon at night. There's one who knows the end before the start begins. This fight is not by might. We shine the moon.
You must understand that you can be in Yola and you are connected. You can be in Jaws and you are connected. You need to understand there is an angel your prophet carry, and when you are connected, distance is not a barrier.
One of the most unfortunate place you can be as a Christian
Gen yon place qui capable plus ou capable en tant qu'un chrétien.
is not to know how the system of the world works.
C'est pour pas connaître qui genre système le monde dans travail.
It's very unfortunate
Li très pas bon.
that there are many Christians in that condition.
Et puis gen un pile chrétien qui dans condition
They
ça.
don't know how the system of the world works.
Yo pas connaître qui genre système dans travail.
They may presume they know.
Yo présumer que yo connaît.
But you see, this is the reason
C'est raison ça.
why many preachers
En pile moun ka prêcher,
and many Christians
en pile chrétien.
can see someone who does not come to church succeed.
Yo ka wè un moun qui pa à l'église
I
pour
still
te
don't
succès.
understand why
Yo
the person
pas
is
comprendre
succeeding.
pour qui ça moun nan pour te succès.
Meanwhile, the person does not pay tithe.
Moun nan pas même payer dîme.
They pay tithe.
Yo paye dîme.
The truth of the matter is,
Vérité ya,
God never said
bon Dieu pas jam dit.
tithing will prosper anybody.
Si le paye dîme la faut porter prospérité.
So if any pastor ever told you tithing will prosper you,
Si on pasteur d'ou
a lie.
dîme a pour porter prospérité, c'est menti.
in Malachi 3 verses 10,
Dans Malaka 3 verset 10,
when God said you should pay tithe,
le bon Dieu dit ou supposé payer
and he will
dîme,
open windows of heaven,
li ouvert porte, li ouvert fenêtre ciel là pour.
that should even make you know
C'est ça qu'a faut connaît.
that the windows of heaven
Fenêtre ciel là,
that God opened to pour you a blessing
que bon Dieu ouvert pour qui pour
that you
nous non.
don't have room to contain
Ou pas bien côté pour aller,
will never prosper you.
li va prospérer, li va faut porter prospérité.
Except you are not listening to the tenses. If God opens the windows of heaven for you,
Si bon Dieu ouvre porte fenêtre ciel là pour,
He's already telling you there's a problem.
li dou gen un problème.
You don't even have room.
Ou pas même gen côté.
So it is people around you that will benefit, not you.
C'est moun koto k'ap ve bénéfice c'est pas ou même.
You are the reason why somebody else is succeeding.
Ou c'est raison qui fait l'autre moun pour te
Because you don't
succès.
have room.
Parce qu'on pas gen côté.
And he told you,
Elle dit ou
don't have room.
ou pas gen côté.
Question. How do I make room?
Qui gens pour me faire chemin?
Another question.
On l'autre question.
What made me not to have room for the blessings
Qui
of
ça
God?
fait m'pa gen côté
Yet
pour
I give
recevoir
tithes
bénédiction, m'ba
To
dim.
receive a blessing that I
Pour
will not
m'ka
have
jeune
room for.
bénédiction, m'ba gen côté pour lui.
One. The
Premièrement,
answer to the first one. What was the first question?
première réponse là.
How do you make
Qui gens
room?
pour me faire côté?
By not allowing yourself to be ever under a curse.
Pour pas quitter tête ou maudit.
C-U-R-S-E. One thing a curse does
On sait bagay l'homme maudit.
when one is cursed
L'homme maudit,
is that it closes opportunities.
Li ferme opportunité.
The person's space begin to shrink.
Place moun nan komanse ap déduit.
What causes does in a man's life,
Sa malédiction fait dans la vie
it
moun.
occupies the man entirely.
Li coincé moun nan.
A cursed man
Un moun qui maudit,
is one who lives on daily bread.
c'est moun sa ka pleve nan ka vive nan pain quotidien.
Do you understand?
Est-ce que nous comprenons?
If you study the people God told to pay tithe, that He will open the windows of heaven for.
Sou ta étudié di bon Dieu di moun ka paye dim la pou von fenêtre pou yo.
In Malachi 3 verses 8,
Dans Malaki 3 verset 8,
they were already under a curse.
yo te déjà dans malédiction.
So the tithe delivered them from the curse.
Dim nan te délivre yo dans de malédiction.
Tithing does not make people rich.
Dim ba fait moun
It
riche.
only helps you not to be under a curse.
Li edo pour pas rentrer dans
Which is the
malédiction.
reason why you should even pay tithe.
C'est raison ça ta pour faut payer.
You say why?
Ou dit pour qui ça?
You don't know who is cursing you.
Ou pas
anymore.
compte qui moun ka bon malédiction.
That's the truth about tithe.
C'est vérité qui gagne dans bay
So
dim
whether you
nan.
pay tithe or not, that's your business.
Ou pas vle payer dime c'est
And
problème
someone will
pour.
tell people pay tithe.
C'est ça fait nous dire payer
They say,
dim.
I've been paying tithe, I've not seen the money.
Gen moun
Look at
kap
you,
di a
you are
payer
a fool.
dim yo ba jwe kob la.
Tithing makes you rich. It is
Dim
so,
ba for riche.
it frees you from curses.
Li libéro de malédiction.
So say, if I give $2 tithe, this and that.
Si ma
It's
bay
up
de
to you.
dollars dim. Si
It's up to
dépendait
you.
ou même. Li dépendait ou même.
It's up to you.
Li dépendait ou même.
Tithing only frees you from being cursed. But it doesn't
Dim
mean
nan
that you will
libéro
not suffer.
pour pas maudit.
Jacob paid
Ça va
tithe.
vle do pas souffrir.
Yet,
Jacob
he
te
made
paye
poor
dim ne.
choices,
Li te fait choix
married the
qui
wrong
pauvre.
woman,
Li mari
was
a
a
fi qui
slave,
pas bon.
yet he paid tithe. Tithing does not make anybody rich.
Dim ba fait moun riche.
Only frees you from being cursed.
Li faut
And
libérer
there are
pour
people that have
pas
offended
gen
already, in case you
malédiction.
don't know. Your good looks has already offended someone.
Jean
shoes,
semblé a gen
Your
tan fè
pedal
moun fâché.
pushers, your lipstick, your wig already. Remember, he collected somebody's glasses as the breeze was blowing your hair. Your hair captured somebody's glasses. Person cost you. Every day you're already under a curse. You enter a bus, somebody say,
Ou chita nan
your
bus.
bum took their space.
Moun nan di de ou
They
prend
curse
trop
you.
place
And
la.
this is actually-
Si yon malédiction.
Every day people are cursing you every day.
Chaque jour moun a bon malédiction.
You woke up with chest pain. You thought it was
Ou
ordinary.
leve a cœur
It's
formal.
just chest. I carry heavy cooler. You're funny. Sickness alone itself is a curse.
L'homme malade
people
seulement
cursing
c'est
you
yon
every day.
malédiction. Parce que gen ki malade
And
chaque
you post
jour.
a lot of pictures on Facebook,
Et puis
Instagram.
wap mette photo
And you
nan
think you are
Facebook,
fine.
nan Instagram,
You
wap
are,
dou
you are
bien.
a hybrid celebrated joker.
Ou c'est un célébrité qui bay blague.
And the people you have in your fan base,
Et moun nou
they
gen
come
nan
from your
faj
country.
yo.
They come from.
You
They
so-
come from your.
Yo so
I
tout
mean, you need to
kote.
have people who know you.
Ou beze gen moun ki konon.
You have people who know you,
Ou gen
and you
moun ki
think you are
konon.
not. They are not after you.
E pou di yo ba pran merdo.
So, why should you pay tithe?
Pou ki sa
To
dwe
be
pay
free from a
dim.
curse.
Pour
That's all.
carrer you
Whether
na-
you pay
na
tithe or
mode
not, it
malédiction.
doesn't change the color of God's boxers. God does not even wear boxers. Doesn't do anything to it. It's up to you. So the truth of the matter is that even the Malachi 3:10 that we preachers quote, God will open the windows of heaven. God was saying that to a cursed people.
Yeah.
What the preacher is just trying to communicate is that tithing will save you from being under a curse. Don't be a fool and not know it.
Dim nan ap libere pou pa rentre nan malédiction. Pa kite moun bon manti. Li pap for riche.
So I say, I'll now start paying my tithe.
Gen moun ki di yo bab
So,
suspend.
I have to
Yap
tell you,
suspend
you
pay
know
dim
you
yo.
were- there was already a problem in your life. Look at your space. You don't even have room.
Gade koto ye ba même gen
Can't you see
kay.
everything around you is tight?
Tout koto ye a li
So
ferme.
even when they paid tithe,
Même lò
God
pay
still says
dim.
their life was tight.
Bon
Because
Dieu toujours ap di
the curse,
vi ou ferme.
he hedged them. He shrink their space.
Malédiction gen li fait li réduit
So whether
place
you
ou.
pay tithe or not,
Même sou pay dim ou bien ou
who
pa
is
pay.
sovereign, it is you.
Sou vle pay ça dépend de ou même.
But God said you will not have room.
Bon Dieu dit ou pa gen place.
Just for the windows.
Pose feu pour
of
fenêtre
heaven
là.
open to you.
Pour fenêtre
Then
ciel
there
là
are
ouvert pour.
others. The
Et-
Bible says the gate of heaven was open to them.
Et gen des moun, la Bible a dit que portail ciel là ouvert pour yo.
Window, you don't even have room.
Dans fenêtre là ou pas gen côté.
So, no, let's not talk about gates. A door. There's a
But-
door of heaven open. There are some people, the door of heaven was open unto them.
Gen des
John was
moun
one
porte
of
ciel
them.
là ouvert pour yo.
Then there are others. The Bible talks about floodgates of heaven.
Et gen des moun,
they are
bon Dieu
levels.
parle des barrières. Gen niveau là dedans yo.
So you are still under the windows of heaven.
Si vous cachez en bas fenêtre ciel là,
No space.
pas gen
How
place.
can you not have space?
Qui j'en fait pas gen place?
Because they give this one a window blessing. They don't even have space for window blessing. They don't even have. See what cost did in their lives.
Gade sa malédiction fait dans la vie ou pas gen place.
So you see, with what we told you now,
Et ça n'a pas
you
kounya.
can recognize
Ou capable
a
reconnaître
man or a woman
un fille ou bien un garçon
under a curse.
qui est maudit.
Everything around them is
Iskata.
too compact. Too
Tout bagay
tight.
côté yo, tête
There's
chargée,
no space.
pas gen place.
In this big world, you don't have space.
Dans gros monde ça ou pas gen place.
There are 16 billion miles in this world.
Gen 6
And yet you
billion
don't have
mémoire ou pas gen place.
Oh God, Yoruba people will say, oh God, your own we can't help you.
Gen moun qui dit mettre là nan problème yo no ba ka edo.
Okay, let's leave tight alone before you get angry. Say, brother, say, how did this message enter? I don't know, sir. I don't know why. Okay, now, Revelation chapter 6.
Révélation chapitre
Go
6.
to Revelation chapter 6.
Révélation chapitre 6.
Now, there are 6 futures, we said,
Gen 6 futurs
that was revealed.
qui étaient révélés.
But it was a way of John
C'était une façon de Jean
seeing
te ouais
how the systems
qui Jean système yo,
of the world
système monde là,
he just left to heaven
li te quitté là dans le ciel,
works.
qui te travail.
That's why we came into tight.
C'est ça que fait n'a parlé de
That there are
din.
some Christians
Gen chrétien
who don't know
qui pas connaît
how the system of the world
qui Jean
works.
système monde là yé.
Do you understand? Because there are some people in the world,
Parce que gen moun dans monde là,
they are rightly positioned.
yo bien chita.
Now, you need to understand. If
No,
you are
but-
to also go by Malachi 3:10,
Nous besoin connaît.
the unfortunate situation with the blessing of
Get-
the windows of heaven opened,
Gen des situations côté bénédiction dans
that
fenêtre ciel là ouvri.
you are surrounded by people who don't pay tithes.
Ou si wonde bay moun qui ba paye
You that
dim.
pays tithes,
Qui ou même ka paye dim.
you have people around you who don't pay tithes.
Ou gen moun koto qui ba paye ta
Yet they
dim.
seem to be successful than you.
Et yo semble yo gen paso.
They will never leave you
Yo pa kito.
because you are the source of their success.
Parce que c'est ou même ka paye de yo. C'est ou même qui sous yo.
Which means that those kind of people
Ça veut dire moun sa
have
yo.
positioned themselves.
Yo positionne tête yo.
I know Pastor Christian pays tithes.
Moi connais pasteur Christian paye
I'll
dim.
be around him.
M'a prêté côté.
You are saying, man, Lord, this thing is not enough.
Ou ap di moun ba ça va assez.
God say, I don't know what to do.
Bon
I'm
Dieu
giving
dit
you
pas comme ça me
blessing,
fait.
but you don't have space.
M'beze be nou mais ou ba gen côté.
So the daughter God brought, the woman God brought for your son,
Moun sa bon Dieu veut ba
your son
petit
was
toi.
not ready. God said, let this woman marry this one. Then.
Bon
Your
Dieu dit
friends-
quitter fifi sa marié
your
à
son
petit
is not
toi.
ready now. When
Petit
your
toi
son is
ba
ready,
fa
don't
ba
worry.
frère, quitter le mariage en mi.
There are many people today living off of other people's blessings.
Gen moun kap vive nan bénédiction
You
lot.
know, some years ago, somebody accused me of collecting people's stars.
Gen yon moun
I say,
ki
wait.
te akuse m kelke ane de
Me
sa mwen
collect
pre
people's
étoile
stars.
lot moun.
How now? I buy cars for people.
M'achete machine pou
We bought
moun.
a lot of people cars. In
Mwen achete an
America,
pil
in
machine
this-
bay moun nan Amerika.
Some of them today, they are not here.
Gen la de
But
yo
we
ki
bought
pa la.
them cars. Good
Mwen achete
cars.
machine bay
With our
yo.
money. Some of us.
It's true. Very true.
I say, so who is using whose star now?
Ki moun kap pre
Wait,
étoile
no.
lot.
Let me even look at my own star now.
Bon gade étoile pam.
There were some people. We paid their college fees, paid their rent.
Gede moun
paid
na
for
pe
exams.
l'école pou yo, na pe loyer pou
It's not
yo.
that they are saying I'm collecting people's star.
Et puis
These
yo
people
di
are the
ma
one
pre
collecting my
étoile
star
yo.
here.
Et yo même ka pre étoile mwen.
I said, oh God. Yeah. And God says it's your fault now.
Mon Dieu dit c'est
That
faute
was
pa ou.
then. You don't have room.
Ou pa gen place.
Help this one, buy this one a car. Buy
Buy
this
yo
one.
machine.
The Lord will
Acheter
tell me,
machine pou yo.
go and buy so person a car.
Al bay acheter machine pou yo.
Now, Revelation chapter 6.
Révélation chapitre 6.
Yeah, the second question was, you really want to know this? What's your business with this thing? I thought you would have forgotten. Okay, what's the second question?
How do I make room? First one was how do I make room?
Yeah, by not being cursed.
Then what made me not to have
And the curse. Curse is the reason why you didn't have room. so both questions have one answer. One, don't allow yourself to be under any curse. And the only way to do
Pa
that is not
kite
through
tête ou
prayer.
tomber dans malédiction.
The only way to never be under a curse
On seule façon pour pas jamais dans malédiction,
is by paying your tithe.
c'est pour payer 10 mots.
So the thing is not about whether pastor will eat your money.
C'est pas question que pasteur a
Like now in
mangé
this
comme
church now,
dans l'église
to
ça.
the glory of God.
Tout gloire bon Dieu.
For years, I give more than anybody in this
Dans
church.
toute année, moi bay plus que tout le monde dans
I pay
l'église
tithe
là.
more than anybody.
Moi paye 10 mois plus
And
que
it
tout le
doesn't
monde.
come to me.
Li pas vinn dans moi.
That's the thing.
C'est pas
If
ça.
that money comes, it would have been nice. Good money.
Si l'argent ça te vinn t'a bien
It
bon.
doesn't come to
Li
me.
pas vinn joindre
I
moi.
don't handle the financial records. Our
Moi
folks
pas
do.
connais rien dans question
It's
finance
the
là.
truth.
C'est vérité.
But okay, so we can go to Revelation chapter 6. Though. So don't allow yourself to be under a curse.
Pas quitter tête ou
But I
entrer dans
can tell I'm not under a
malédiction.
curse.
Moi ka di moi pas dans
Why I
malédiction.
pay my tithes.
Moi paye 10 mois.
And my tithe creates space for me.
Et 10 nan fait
The more
place
I
pour
pay my
moi.
tithe, the more my space
Plus
expands.
moi paye 10 mois, plus moi gain place.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Should we tell you why space is very important?
Et pour est-ce qu'on ka di nous pour que ça place est important?
Go to Ezekiel 28. Hi.
On allait dans Ézéchiel 28.
You people have made me digress now. Ezekiel. Here, when he was talking about, traditional Christianity tells us that when you read from verses 11 to verses 14, it tells us about Lucifer, right?
Yes sir.
Traditional Christianity tells us that he's referring to Lucifer.
Le n'a plus dans verset 11 à verset 14, il parle nous de Lucifer.
But I want you to just see verse 14. I really don't want to go into this Luciferian theology. I don't want to go into that because the truth of the matter is, no, let me leave it. But there's a part we want you to just see.
Yes sir, yes sir.
If I go into that now, I don't think you can bear it. So, but verses 14 is the part we want you to see.
Yes sir, yes sir.
He says here, thou art the anointed cherub. Read that first line. Thou art the anointed cherub.
Moi mette yon ange chérubin avec ou pour protéger ou.
Now, you see the word anointed there.
Yes sir.
It is the Hebrew word mimshak.
Mot onction en livre dit
It is the word mimshak.
mimshak. Mot hébreu mimshak.
Mimshak
Mimshak ça,
is spelled
li appelé
M-I-M,
M
M for Magina, M-I-M,
M
S-H-A-C-H.
S-H-A-C-H.
M-I-M,
M
S-H-A-C-H.
S-H-A-C-H.
M-I-M,
M-I-M
S-H-A-C-H.
S-H-A-C-H.
Mimshak means
Mimshak.
expansion.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir.
Et spécial.
Which means, if we are to go by what traditional Christianity teaches us,
Si nous t'a aller dans ça chrétien ou enseigne nous
that Lucifer was the anointed cherub,
Et Lucifer lui-même, c'est lui-même qui te béni chérubin yo.
then it means that God anointed Lucifer with expansion.
Ça veut dire bon Dieu te béni Lucifer avec un pile bagaille.
Which means anything Lucifer puts his hand expands.
Et ça veut dire tout ça Lucifer mette main te grandi.
And this is where the theology of the Illuminati comes in.
C'est la théologie domination encore sorti.
That they release Mimshak on albums of musicians.
Yo lage Mimshak dans tout album musicien yo.
And the Mimshak will carry it around the world.
Et Mimshak ça ali dans tout monde là.
But Christians,
Mais chrétien yo,
where's your own?
côté Paul.
So say no, God anointed my head with oil, my cup runneth over. You are still running, it's still running over. You have problem. God use cup for you.
No get problem.
Then for this guy, he gave him the ability for expansion.
Li bay moun sa yo habilité pour yo grandir.
Brother, that's an unfortunate place to be.
Ça
You
son
are still fighting
opportunité.
with cup. So you see, if you are to go again by what traditional Christianity tells us,
Si nous t'a aller encore dans sa tradition chrétien au dit non,
that this is Lucifer.
ça c'est Lucifer.
Lucifer does not need to pay tithe then.
Lucifer bat même te besoin payer dîme.
He has room.
Li te gen place.
So you see,
Et nous ouais,
the money
l'argent,
Illuminati gives people,
moun sa yo bay moun yo.
secret societies gives people.
Secret société a bay
That
moun yo.
money came from Christians.
L'argent ça yo sorti dans chrétien.
That God opened the windows of heaven to bless.
Bon Dieu ouvert fenêtre pour dans ciel là pour
But
bénir.
because he did not have room,
Parce que yo bat gen place,
and Lucifer has enough,
Lucifer te gen assez.
the thing will spill over.
Lucifer prend tout net.
What's wrong?
Sir, I don't like that idea.
Are you upset with me now? The way you say is wrong. What's wrong? It's not fair. You are speaking English. It is not fair. It's wrong. Oh, yeah, it's wrong. What have you done about it?
That's why we pay not and I'm creating more room.
That's why you need space, eh? You need space.
I have it. Anything I put my hand into.
Well, for me, I am Mimshak. I have expansion. Anything I put my hand. I don't need Lucifer's blessing.
Exactly. Like that.
And Isaiah revealed it.
No gen place.
Oh, man. That's why I will never be under any curse.
Et peut-être ça m'a jamais dans malédiction.
Okay, let's just say something in 10 minutes and we'll close.
On nous dit un bagay pour nous ka fini.
Pastor Christian brought us to the second question. It's not a bad idea. It's a good thing we answered it. So that you don't go miserable. Say,
Pour nous pas
he
faire
didn't
tête
even
nous
answer the
misérable.
second one.
On va devoir te répondre deuxième non.
Okay, Revelation chapter 6.
Révélation chapitre 6.